Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to set up YouTube parental controls. So we have two methods. The first one is simple. You just need to go to your YouTube account, to your YouTube channel. And after that, you just need to go and click on your picture on the top right of the screen. And after that, you have to scroll down a little bit until you find this option called restricted mode. So you click on it, and as you can see here, it tells you that this helps hide potentially mature videos, but no filter is 100% accurate. So this setting only applies to this browser. If you want to activate it in other devices, you need to log in and activate it manually on all those devices. So for example, if I activate it like this, now my account is or this restricted mode is activated on my account, and I can deactivate it again if I want. So the second option is when you go and enter to YouTube Kids. So if you have child and you are not feeling safe with the restricted mode, you just need to go to youtubekids.com, or also you can download the YouTube Kid app and you need to create an account on it like that. So for example, I will register myself as a parent. So I will say that I'm a parent. And after that, it tells me, welcome. Before letting your child explore the fun of the world, take few minutes to decide on important parental safety control. I click next, and I give him my birth year, and it will give me some information here. Sign in with parent control, click next, and here you need to add your account that you want to use it for sign in. I will use my account, and as you can see here, I will read this if you want, of course, and click next. You will need to enter the password of your account. Click next, and here you will set up your kid profile. For example, I will name it test. The age, for example, 3 years, and the birth month, February. Click next, and you will choose the content here, what content you want your child to see. For example, I will select this type of content, select, and also you can choose if you want to turn the search on or off for your kid. For example, I will turn it off, so he don't have the option to search for anything. And after that, you click next, and next again, and click on let's go. And as you can see now, this is the YouTube for your kid. Only kid-friendly videos, and he can't do research or do anything. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Don't forget also to click on the like button and see you in the next video.